Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and today we're taking a look at the 2011 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, powered by a 3.5 liter V6 engine, Ecoboost. You've got plenty of power for your towing, hauling, and 4x4 needs, with some great fuel efficiency while you're doing it. Coming with some chrome running boards too, so you can get in and out easier. But let's take a look inside. Looking at the back, you have your standard 3-seat folding bench seat, which folds up to reveal quite a bit of space if you've got some larger cargo, as well as 2 cup holders in the middle here, and a 12-volt power outlet. And that covers the back. You also have your 5-digit keyless entry pad if you don't need your key for what you're going into your truck for. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks, your power adjustable seat, fabric interior that's relatively easy to clean, doesn't stain too easily, your light selector there. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see that it's sitting at 118,243 kilometers. And moving down the steering wheel, you have your volume and media search and your hands-free phone controls there. And on the left-hand side, you have your cruise control buttons and your buttons to control your center screen here, showing you all of your pertinent information. Fuel economy, odometer, trip economy, all of that, if that's what you're looking for. But moving on the left-hand side of the radio here, you have your 4x4 controls. Looking at the radio now, it is a radio, CD, Sirius, and auxiliary, so you have plenty of listening options there. Moving over, you have another 12-volt power outlet. Moving down, you have your climate controls, all in one central location. Below that, you have your auxiliary port and a USB, as well as another 12-volt power outlet and a little shelf here, so you can maybe put your devices in there while they're charging. That is totally up to you. Another small compartment here for whatever. Looking at the center now, you have 2 cup holders and a little cubby for a phone maybe, a center compartment for some storage that also folds up to be your 5th passenger seat, and below that again there's another storage compartment, as well as your 2 fold-out cup holders for in case when this seat is folded up, like so. But that should cover the interior. So just quickly, another small thing, but very useful. The backup camera is housed in the rearview mirror, so that makes backing up, especially in a truck, a little easier. So now that we've gone over the interior and exterior of the vehicle, if you're interested and want to set up an appointment, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and talk to one of our salespeople. Have a nice day.